At that ground on 1419.
Wow, this is so fucking gnarly! Holy shit!
I mean, they got so much fucking snow.
Yep.
I mean, fuck, it's been dumb since we got here. Arctic Cat's a real piece of shit. No snow left, we took it down to dirt.